So these are the aftermarket air press on the Fortuner, and this right here is a very bad blind spot that it creates. Go and accessorize their cars to put up these air press, which I've now realized are a big hindrance, because this whole width actually can hide a car behind it. And the worst is a motorcycle. You cannot see while driving if it comes from a corner. So I'm going to cut it off from right about here and then see how much of viewpoint I can get from here. So let's do it. So now it's cut, and there you have it. You have this much of space to see through oncoming traffic, pedestrians, cyclists, motorcyclists, everyone. Okay, so the reason to cut from here is, you see the size. This is a big enough size that I took off. The reason is this little plug. I just wanted to keep the structural integrity of the whole S in place, and I didn't want to go anywhere close to or above where this clip attaches the whole thing. So I think this is good enough. Gives me ample space. This, sitting in the driver's seat, all this area is now visible.